Good afternoon, everyone. It's Izzy here, and this is a continuation of the tilt motor repair, okay? And what I will be doing is basically there was a part one, which I did about a week ago, and now I am, I'm going to call this one part two, where I'm going to show you the parts that I've purchased and how, what it is that I'm going to be replacing. I will replace it. I won't be able to show how I replace it, but basically it's just taking off nuts, nuts and bolts, and basically taking it apart exactly the way it is right now. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so here we have right here. Okay, so here we have one, basically what we have here is one relay. Here's another relay, okay? You have this bar that goes together. This piece originally just goes here. This piece is a fuse, okay? It's a 110 amp fuse. And what happens is when there's too much pressure in the lines or something goes wrong, instead of burning your boat down, basically there's a fuse in here and blows the fuse so it doesn't get hot, and of course doesn't create any electrical fires. Okay, now the parts that I'm going to be replacing is going to be the following. It's going to be this. It's going to be these two relays. Okay, and I already took see, let me show you. I already took the tank apart and everything, and I cleaned it out, and I put clean oil, and I tested the motors, and they work. Okay, so basically you're going to take this all apart and put it all back together. Now the parts that I got is here. You can see it. I got one relay here. I got another relay here. They're the same relay, basically the same relay, just that one store had one, the other store didn't. So, I mean, vice versa. So I had to go to two different stores to get it. This I got directly from Merc Cruiser. There's the part number. You see it says 110 amps. Okay, this is a pretty expensive part. But anyways, I got this. So these are the three parts that I'm going to be replacing. And then, excuse me. Then I'm going to go ahead, and when I have everything back together, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the garage, put power to it, and we're going to test everything, make sure everything is okay before we put it back in the boat. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. Make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe. Okay, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.